Hey everyone, welcome back. If the TD Bank app keeps crashing, it's often due to a corrupted data or compatibility issues. Here's how to fix them. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the TD Bank US and then swipe it away. Then go ahead and reopen it. This will clear temporary glitches. After that, head over to your app store, search for the TD Bank app and then update your app from there. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so it is very necessary that you update your bank so your app won't keep crashing again. Now, on Android, clear the app's cache from the settings. On iPhone, long press on the TD Bank app icon, then remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, then download the app from the App Store only. After downloading it, make sure your phone's operating system is also updated to the latest version. After fixing these issues, your TD Bank app should stop crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.